once again, no, October 9, today is about October 9, so helping the Cebu City government, or Cebu government, no, we're done lagi the helping the people's health, no, in which we have two volunteers, no, in which here we are in the Santo Niño, yeah. This is the oldest church, no, this is the most memorable in here in Cebu, no. This is our tourist spot by which, no, nga kana pag earthquake nakuha, no, sa Bohol, no, again here sa Santo Niño, yeah, the Basilica de Santo Niño, and this is the mother of all festival, the Sinulog Mardi Gras, no. So here again, no, so here again, this is our Santo Niño Church, no, memorable this one. This is the history in which we are here, the Arwin Argometer lagi, no, just promoting and then helping the people's health, and then the government, no, by which we are watching by 122 countries, and we have statistics daily at the YouTube, no. Special thanks to YouTube, Google, Freedom, and Facebook, yeah, for spreading the good news. Again, no, mantay kwarta nga ka-publish sa newspaper, so mauragid helping me is, but again, thank you, no. Pati sa Tina po, nag-Arwin